My name's Savina, I'm from the Institute of Imagination.
Today we've had a wonderful workshop by the Institute of Imagination, and we were given the task to create sculptures, and we had to use tenets of teamwork, of collaboration to work together.
We've been making triangular prisms and we've been working with our partners to make them.
It was really fun and pretty difficult. We kept trying and trying until we got it.
We was in lockdown for a very long time where we couldn't see any friends, but now we can do more things like this and more workshops.
It's been fantastic to be back with all of my friends because we've been missing out a lot and we've been achieving more together.
A workshop like this can really come and change everything up and just brighten everybody's day, and it can also teach them that despite a pandemic like this, through the task, through our imagination, through resilience, through teamwork, we can have fun, we can achieve, and we can overcome and be successful.